All right, Bob. A few more warm days ahead, and then I see we go down to the low 80s by the end of the week.
Oh, no.
And that should be nice compared to 90s.
Oh, no. How can we? I don't think I can cope with that.
No?
Lower, upper 80s?
Low 80s.
Low 80s. Okay.
That's pretty nice.
Close. That's close to normal.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Here's our weather headlines. Looking at sunny days ahead. So you have to get excited about something because this is kind of a boring extended forecast. I'll just lay it on you. Not a whole lot going on there.
Yeah, you've just been lounging over in the Weather Control Center.
Yes, I know. I've been doing some spring cleaning, cleaning up the files, and
nice. You have to have some day to
organizing
do
the
that.
weather records and stuff like that. All the stuff that we normally do. More above normal temperatures, not much rain in sight. There is a little cloud off in the distance there, but pretty much a clear sky out there, 56 degrees, winds at 3 miles per hour, humidity at 44%. Some other temperatures across our area. Stanley's at 32, 39 degrees in McCall. We have Mountain Home at 56 degrees, 56 at this hour in Boise. Looking for a high near 91. That's 10 degrees above normal. It's going to be a mild overnight low because some clouds will move in, tucking us in with some warmer temperatures overnight. 60 for the low, and the records this time of the year are pretty much in the upper 90s and around the triple digits, like today's record. 1700ths so far this month, and we are behind by almost 1/4 of an inch. We could use the rain. One location they're going to get plenty of rain. This tropical storm pushing on in, and by Wednesday we expect it to affect the Dallas area. Here's accumulated rainfall as far as the futurecast, and you'll see a bullseye right around the Dallas area. The big deal about this is not so much the wind, but it will be producing a lot of rain and the possibility of some flash flooding once again in Texas, probably the Dallas area. Speaking of flash flood potential, we have a flash flood watch in effect in Wyoming, and that is about the only warning even close to us. Here's water vapor, a little x-ray of our atmosphere. It's picking up a little bit of moisture moving into southwestern Oregon. As we switch over to the normal satellite and radar map, we can make out that little disturbance here. It will track just to the north of us. And as you see on our futurecast, you can see it moving in right around 10:30 this evening, the possibility of an isolated shower moving into our west central mountains. Other than that, looking pretty much cloud-free, except for Wednesday morning. We cloud up a bit. Later in the day, we could see some showers a little bit more widespread for our northern mountains. And that would be it. Here's a little better idea of where we're actually going to see some precip, possibly just south of Baker City, then moving into the west central mountains. That's later tonight. Clouding up a bit for Wednesday morning. And Wednesday afternoon, with the heating of the day, some showers could develop in the mountains to the north. Other than that, looking pretty quiet. As far as rainfall accumulation, maybe a little bit of measurable rainfall for Baker City, Dillon, Montana, maybe a little bit in Salmon too, maybe 0.07 of an inch according to the computer model. Here's our forecast: sunny and warm. Twin Falls high today about 89. For Sun Valley, 78, mostly sunny and warm. For McCall, a little different story, partly cloudy, some isolated showers and some thunderstorms possible later this afternoon into tonight. Mostly sunny and warm for the western end of the valley, Canyon County, you guessed it, mostly sunny and warm for Boise, a high of about 91. Here's our extended forecast. A little bit of a cooling trend later in the week as we get a little bit closer to normal. Normal high is 81, we'll be at 82 Friday and Saturday. Kelsey?